Most investors think building a good ETF portfolio is complicated. They think you need 10 funds, different strategies, constant adjustments, and a spreadsheet just to understand what you own. But here's the truth. Some of the strongest long-term portfolios in the world are built with just 3 ETFs. Not because people are lazy, because simplicity wins. If you've ever felt confused by your portfolio, if you've ever opened your app and thought, why do I even own all this? This video is for you. When I first started investing, I did exactly what most people do. I kept adding new ETF, add it, new strategy, add it, someone on YouTube hyped a fund, add it. After a while, I had diversification, but no direction. Everything moved differently. Nothing felt stable, and I was constantly second-guessing myself. That's when I realized something. The problem wasn't the market. The problem was my structure. So I stripped everything back. No hype, no trends, no complicated setups. Just 3 ETFs. And once I did that, investing became easier, calmer, and more consistent. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a simple 3 ETF portfolio for the long term. What each ETF is responsible for, how they work together, and why this setup protects you from overthinking, panic selling, and chasing the next shiny thing. You don't need more ETFs. You need the right foundation. Let me show you how to build it. Let's start with the most important idea behind this portfolio. Every strong portfolio has 3 jobs. It needs growth, it needs stability, and it needs income or flexibility. Most people try to get all 3 from every ETF they own. That's where things fall apart. Instead, this 3 ETF setup gives each job to a specific fund. No overlap, no confusion, no competing strategies. Each ETF knows what it's responsible for. The first ETF in this portfolio is your growth engine. This is the part that builds wealth over decades. This is where something like VOO, VTI, or another broad market index ETF fits in. Its job is simple. Capture long-term market growth. Ride economic expansion. Compound quietly in the background. This ETF doesn't care about headlines. It doesn't care about short-term fear. It doesn't care about hype. It represents ownership in hundreds of strong companies that grow over time. When markets are up, this ETF works. When markets are down, this ETF keeps compounding through reinvestment. This is the foundation. Without this piece, your portfolio has no engine. A lot of people try to skip this step. They want income first, they want excitement first, but without a growth core, everything else becomes fragile. This ETF is what carries you through 20, 30, 40 years. It's boring. And that's exactly why it works. The second ETF in this portfolio is your stability and income anchor. This is where something like SCHD or a high-quality dividend ETF fits. Its job is different from the first ETF. It's not trying to grow as fast as possible. It's trying to be reliable. This ETF focuses on companies that generate consistent cash flow and reward shareholders over time. After you've experienced volatility in markets, you start to appreciate this role. When growth slows, this ETF cushions the portfolio. When markets get shaky, it brings emotional stability. When income matters, it delivers without extreme risk. This ETF keeps you invested. That's its hidden superpower. During downturns, people don't sell because of math. They sell because of fear. Stable income reduces fear. When money is still coming in, you're less likely to panic. That keeps you in the game. And staying invested is more important than perfect timing. The third ETF in this portfolio is your flexibility layer. This is where you adapt to your personal goals. For some people, this might be a bond ETF. For others, it might be a global ETF. For others, it could be a light income or defensive strategy. This ETF is optional but powerful. It gives you room to adjust without touching the core. Instead of constantly changing your main holdings, you tweak this layer. Need more stability? Adjust here. Need more income? Adjust here. Want international exposure? Adjust here. This prevents you from rebuilding your entire portfolio every year. Most investors fail because they rebuild too often. This layer solves that problem. Now let's talk about why this 3 ETF structure works so well psychologically. Investing isn't just numbers, it's emotions. When portfolios are complicated, emotions take over. You don't know what's working. You don't know what's failing. You don't know what to fix. That leads to overtrading. With 3 ETFs, everything is clear. Growth is here. Income is here. Flexibility is here. No confusion. When something underperforms, you understand why. When something outperforms, you don't overreact. Clarity reduces bad decisions. That's one of the biggest advantages of simplicity. Another benefit is consistency. With fewer ETFs, it's easier to keep investing. You're not constantly rebalancing 10 different positions. You're adding to 3 core ideas. That builds discipline. Discipline beats intelligence in investing. Every time. Now let's talk about how this looks in real life. Imagine markets are doing great. Your growth ETF is performing. Your dividend ETF is steady. Your flex ETF is doing its job. You don't feel pressure to change anything. You just keep adding. Now imagine markets pull back. Growth drops. News gets scary. Social media gets loud, but your income ETF is still paying. Your structure is still intact. Your plan hasn't changed, so you stay calm. That's the power of this setup. It doesn't eliminate volatility, it manages your reaction to it. This is also why this portfolio protects you from chasing trends. When new ETFs launch, you're not desperate. You already have growth. You already have income. You already have flexibility. Most new funds don't solve a problem you have, so you can ignore the noise. That's freedom. Now let me share the biggest mistake I made before switching to this approach. I thought more meant better. More ETFs, more strategies, more complexity. But complexity didn't give me better returns. It gave me more stress. Once I simplified, my behavior improved. I stopped checking prices constantly. I stopped reacting to every headline. I stopped comparing myself to everyone else. My portfolio started working because I stopped interfering. That's what most people miss. ETFs are designed to work when left alone. Your job is to build the right structure, then get out of the way. This 3 ETF setup does exactly that, all without turning investing into a second job. And here's the most important part. This portfolio grows with you. When you're young, you can lean more into growth. As you get older, you can lean more into income. When your goals change, you adjust the flex layer. You never have to start over. You evolve. That's what long-term investing is about. Not perfection. Progress. This 3 ETF portfolio does that. If this breakdown helped you see how powerful simplicity can be, make sure to subscribe to MoneyStick Unfiltered. This channel is about building portfolios that work in the real world, not just on paper. Thanks for watching.